Welcome back to my channel During King Math. In this video, we are going to solve this nice equation. The question says, find the value of x plus y where x plus xy plus y equals 98. Remember, x and y are positive integers. To start the solution, let me rewrite this equation. So, it is going to be x plus xy plus y equals 98. I'm going to make group with this term and this term, so I put them in brackets. Now tell me, what is the GCF between this term and this term? Right, it is x, so I write x here, factor it out from this expression, it is going to be x divided by GCF is 1 plus xy divided by x is going to be y plus this y equals 98. Next, now here we have 1 plus y. This one is y. If we make another 1 plus y left hand side, we can continue factorization. So to do this, I'm going to add 1 to both sides of this equation. It is going to be x times 1 plus y plus 1, I add 1 plus y, left hand side equals right hand side 1 plus 98. So what do we have here? Both them are common in 1 plus y. So I choose 1 plus y as the GCF and factor it out from this expression. It is going to be 1 plus y, factor it out. So first term divided by GCF is going to be x plus second term divided by this GCF is going to be 1 equals 1 plus 98 is 99. Now look, the product of two factors is 99. So we can rewrite this 99 as pair factor. So what are all pair factors of 99? Let me write it here. 99 can be written in the form of 1 times 99, right? Also 3 times 33, and at the end 9 times 11. So here we have three pair factors that the product of them is 99. So we have three cases: case 1, case 2, case 3. So let's see. Case 1. In case 1, we have this left hand side, which means 1 plus y times x plus 1 equals 99. Instead of this 99, I write 1 times 99. 1 times 99. So from this, I can get result 1 plus y equals 1. Also, x plus 1 equals 99. This is case 1. Now case 2. Left hand side, which means 1 plus y times x plus 1 equals right hand side 99. So instead of this 99, I write 3 times 33. Right? So what is this? From this, I can get result 1 plus y equals 3. Also, x plus 1 equals 33. This is case 2. And finally, last case. Let me write it here. 1 plus y times x plus 1 equals 99, or 9 times 11. So we can get result 1 plus y is 9. Also, x plus 1 equals 11. Now we are going to continue these three cases to find our answers, which means x plus 1. From case 1, 1 plus y equals 1. So what is the value of y? 1 minus 1, 0. Case 2. X plus 1 equals 99. So the value of x is going to be 99 minus 1 or 98. This is case 1. Case 2. Y is going to be 3 minus 1 or 2. X is going to be, x plus 1 is 33. So x is 33 minus 1 or 32. Finally, last one. Y is going to be 9 minus 1 or 8. X is going to be 11 minus 1 or 10. So let's see, from case 1, x, we are going to find out x plus y, right? So 0 plus 98 is 98. But remember, the question says x and y are positive integers. 0 is not a positive integer. So we cannot accept this one. This answer is not a valid answer. Next one. X and y, both of them are positive integers. So let's see what is x plus y. 32 plus 2 is 34. And this is one answer of our question. And finally, look, y is 8, x is 10. Both of them are positive integers. So x plus y is going to be 10 plus 8 or 18. And this is our next answer. So we have two answers for this question. Have fun.